Hi, I'm Mishi from Mishiworld, and today I'm going to show you how to make a papaya dragon fruit strawberry smoothie bowl with a chocolate shell on top. So let's get started. To make this smoothie bowl, I'm going to be using all of these fruits. And the main thing is the dragon fruit. It's this very, dark pink fruit. You can get this pack from Walmart, plus different kinds of packs like acai and all. And you can also get the whole or sliced strawberries from Walmart. Okay, so I just put a bowl full of this. So I just put a few medium-sized strawberries, like 3 or 4, just to fill the blender up. You don't want to overfill it or the cap won't get on. This is just enough. And now I'm just going to be putting a little bit of milk. But the good thing about this blender is that there are different lines. So this is the maximum for the liquid. This is the maximum for the fruit. So I'm going to be putting about this much of milk. Now you can also put honey, but I think all of these fruits are pretty sweet, so I'm just going to not be putting honey because I'm also going to be putting some semi-sweet chocolate on top. And now we're just going to blend these. And I'm going to be blending it on the smoothie bowl button. I think it's over here. You just press it and wait for the blender to turn off. Then you just have your smoothie bowl. And then I'll show you the rest right after that. So I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. So when you put the plug in, the lights are going to be flashing. And when you lock it, it's going to be solid light. And then you just press the bowl button to make this smoothie bowl. And then you just twist the built-in tamper. You don't have to twist it non-stop, and just to help the blender a little, then when the blender goes off, you just take this cup out and then you just enjoy your smoothie bowl. But then instead of enjoying it right away, we're going to put the chocolate on top. My smoothie bowl is done blending. You can blend it furthermore by pressing the respin button. And that's the same button that you press to turn it off if you think it's already done without doing the full cycle. Okay, so, see? This is how mine turned out. And to see if it's a true smoothie bowl, what you can do is just flip it over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See? If it didn't fall, that means it's a true smoothie bowl. So now, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be just putting this aside in the fridge, and I'm going to be making my chocolate shell. So how I'm going to be making that is I have a pinch of butter. See, I'm just going to be putting this in the bowl, and just going to put this down. And I have this chocolate, milk chocolate, and I'm going to just be putting a chunk of this. Now it depends how much and how thick you want your chocolate shell to be and how many people you're making this for. But I recommend putting maybe just like 4 medium-sized chunks of this chocolate, or the best thing that you can use is chocolate chips because they're already really small. It's easier to melt them. And you can use the double boiler method, or you can do it in the microwave like me. Okay, so this is 4 pieces. I'm just going to be using 4 more because these square size bars are just a little smaller than normal ones. I'm going to be using 1 more. Instead of the butter, what you can be using is you can use coconut oil, but if you don't have that, another substitute for it is butter. Okay, now you can just put this in the microwave or double boil it. If you're putting it in the microwave, you just do it for 30 seconds and just check it because you don't want to burn your butter or your chocolate. and you don't want to put it straight on the smoothie bowl after when the chocolate's hot, because then the smoothie bowl will just melt. But you don't want to wait too long that the chocolate hardens in this. So I'll show you how to do the rest after. Just melted this chocolate. It's supposed to look like this. And after, you just mix it, a little. And if it's burning, you don't want to put it straight on the smoothie bowl because it's going to be starting to melt. It's supposed to be this kind of consistency. And you just flatten out your smoothie bowl. And then after this cools, you just put the chocolate on. And now I'm going to show you how I'm going to be doing that. Now since mine just cooled, I'm going to be putting the chocolate on top. We'll just give it a quick mix. Now if it doesn't go evenly everywhere, that's completely fine. Okay, so you can do a drizzle or just, try and fill the whole area with chocolate. And I'm just going to be patting it down with my spoon. I'm not overly patting it because then it won't work. And just kind of patting it just like that, so it can go everywhere. And now I'm just going to be letting this harden on top. And then after it hardens, you can do the crack. So mine looks like this right now. Okay, so mine just finished hardening. Since it was like a big layer of chocolate, it was taking a long time, so I just decided to put it in the fridge. And after it being in the fridge for like 5 minutes, now it's done. See? So now I'm going to crack it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Wow. See? If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.